Well, today is August 28th, 2019. It's a Sunday, so I hope I got the date right here. And I'm at White Sands National Monument in New Mexico. And this is just at the start of going through there. I haven't even gotten to the, uh, you know, off the paved road yet. But there's a boardwalk here, and I'm going to turn around so you can see it. And the boardwalk, it just brings you out here to a little viewing area, and you can see what's going on, but not much to see right here. But we're going up to the dunes later on. Hope we get some good shots there. It's early in the day, so it hasn't gotten hot. It's supposed to be up in the high 80s today. So okay, see you later. Well, I'm in my rental car, and this is where the pavement ends. The windshield's got some bugs on it here. So we're going on to the sandy part here now, and this is most of the trail, and it's a little vibrating here because it's on that, but so we're going to turn the camera off here and wait till we make another stop then. Well, stopped here on the loop trail at the top end of the loop here. Nobody here. There's my rental car. I'm going to walk up this little dune here, and the sand, picking them up, putting them down, and we got Shadow Man in there. All right, Shadow Man, hello. And see what's up here at the top of the dune here. Sand's pretty firm. It's actually gypsum, I think, is why it's white. And I'll pick some up in my hand once I get to the top here, and see if we can get a little view. Oh, it's not too bad of a view from up here. Anyhow, it's not hot yet. It's going to be getting there later on this afternoon. And okay, White Sands National Monument, New Mexico, near Alamogordo. I can't see the screen on my GoPro, but there I am. I'll put there so you can see my face. There's the sun in back of me there. There we go. Hello. And we'll take a little pan around here. We'll get some sunbeams on the lens there, I'm sure. But there we go. White Sands Monument, New Mexico. Very quiet here. Sunday morning. It's early. Nobody around. It's good. And let's look at some sand here. Okay, we're going to look at some of the sand here. See, it's very white. It just flows so nicely out of your hand. It's very clean. And look at that, how nice that flows here. So nice and dry. Feels like, I don't know, it doesn't feel like gritty or anything. It feels kind of smooth particles here. But it's so nice there. The sands of time marching on for all of us here, that's for sure. Can't stop the sands of time here. Okay, April 28th, 2019, Sunday. I'm still here at White Sands National Monument. Climbed up another little dune. Seems to be a popular spot. A lot of people bring their little saucers and go sledding down. I met some kids on the way up that said they had an awesome time. But we're going to do a pan around here so you can see where I am. And so you can see the area in back of me here. There it is. This place, this section here is a little more populated with cars, but still hardly anybody here. It's great. Here we go. We're turning around, doing a 360 here. Still a nice day. Wasn't too bad climbing up. It was a little soft coming up here, but other than that, it was okay. So, all right. I'll see you all later. Let me get back in the sun here. There we go. It's a little bit better now. You can see me. Okay, I don't want to get too sunburned. I got suntan lotion on here, so hope it's okay. All right. See you all. Bye-bye. Well, on the map, there was a thing called the West Filming Area. I asked some other people. They don't know what that means. So I'm not sure if this is it. Just more dunes here. So we're going to do a little pan, see the mountains in the background, and some people up there. And going to come back around. And my car is over that mound, which I'm heading down. I got about 5 pounds of sand in my shoes here too, so okay. Well, I came up to a kind of a flat spot here, a little depression. I think when it rains, it gets some water in here. So that's why you see some scrub brush, a few other things in here. Looks like it had been wet not too long in the past there, but it's nice hard sand here. And it's nice and hard. I stand here so you can see it's pretty hard, so it's easy walking. I don't have to walk up a hill, so that's pretty good because I just emptied about 3 pounds of sand out of each shoe here from that last hill I was on here. So okay, still white sands, and pretty much that's all it's here is white sands. It's the white gypsum, and just lots of dunes. There's some trails, but they're like 5 miles long. It's going to be pretty hot, and you're going to have to go over some dunes, and you got to carry a lot of water. So didn't think that was for me. So I'm going to head back to the car now. Maybe this afternoon I have time. I think I might have time to hit the petroglyphs here. So we'll have to see. Okay, let's get a move on. Okay, just so you know, I was here. We got Shadow Man in the picture here too. Hello, Shadow Man Ed is saying hello to all my friends out there. Okay, farewell. Going back out of the white sands here. I gotta clean that windshield. It's got a lot of bugs and stuff on it there, but it may not show up. And road's a little rough here, so I'm going very, very slow in my rental car here. And there's some more cars up ahead. You can feel my voice as it shakes. There's some kids sliding down on the left. And I'm going to give them a wide berth here because they're right alongside the road, which is not a good spot to do that. And there's cars coming. I'm going to pull over here to let them go by. And okay, it's a little hard to see here because my neck is all kinked up from the airplane ride. Going to the chiropractor next week. Okay, not much to see here, just heading back because the road is rough right here. Well, this is the Dune Life Nature Trail. I'm only going to walk up to that little high point up there because it's a mile or two long, and you got to carry your water with you and everything. And it's hot. It's getting warm now. Desert is heating up here. So, all right, wait till we get up to the top then. Okay, I'm walking up the steep part here, and we'll see where this goes. Okay, getting up here. Okay, I think this is as far as I'm going to go on this trail here. Looks like a nice trail in back of me. I'm going to do a little pan here so you can see in back of me over here. And as we turn around here, you'll see the parking lot over there, hopefully in back of me. And some other people on the trail down there. And as we come around here, you'll see a little bit more here. This is still White Sands National Monument. We're almost out of the park. We're back on the paved road heading down to the gift shop. You get some souvenirs, of course, here. But it's a nature trail, and they got a number of nice little placards here. So if you had more time and brought your water with you, it would be a good, decent trail here. But Ed Getley signing off now. Bye-bye. See ya. Okay, coming back down now. Just a little walk up to a couple dunes there. Like I said, if I was planning a big hike, would have brought extra water But going back down to the car now. So, all right, back down on flat surface here.